My next recipe, number 85, Palak or Spinach Soup. Ingredients: roughly chopped veggies, carrot 1 cup, tomato 1 cup, spinach or palak 2 to 3 cups, ginger garlic half a teaspoon, Masoor Dal half cup, salt as per preference. For garnishing, butter and crushed pepper. Let's start. This soup is another version of my first recipe. I used palak instead of peas. Both can be used. Clean and wash masoor dal. Add crushed ginger and garlic. Clean, chop all the veggies and put into the pressure cooker. Add cleaned and washed palak or spinach. Add salt. Add water. Pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Blend after it cools down. Add water as per your preference. Heat before serving. Garnish with butter. Enjoy Palak or Spinach Soup. Another quick and easy recipe. Try it, it's worth it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications.